All right, good Thursday morning to you, about 7:16 in the morning, March 2nd, 2023. Check out that green light coming out of this EG4 cabinet. I rigged up a little 12-volt green LED marker light to shine down. It is so cool, but that's not the purpose of this video today. Let me turn the lights on here and show you what I did with these terminal covers. As you can see, I have got red covers over these guys now. Red and black, except for this one. And I'll show you why in a second. But these batteries come with these cover. I mean, kind of an afterthought, red-headed stepchild kind of thing. And I ended up losing a whole bunch of these, so I wanted to come up with a solution. So I got these on here. Let me show you what it looks like online. You get these on Amazon for $14 for a pack of 5, but I need 6 red and 6 black. And right down here, this is where I had to trim. They're silicone, they're easy to trim with scissors, so you just cut them off right there so it'll fit the lug end. And then I had to kind of sort of bend these up just a little bit more this way on both the black and the red. Get them a nice fit in there. It turned out good. I am in alarm status right now because I've got these batteries down to around 5% or so, and they really are putting out their power. They're rated kilowatt hours, really are stout batteries. There's the LED light right there, the green deal shining down. And lastly, I ordered some 1/4 inch red split wire loom to cover up these grab handles. So when you're in here messing with batteries, even though you can turn these off and take the wire off, you still got potential voltage on the wire that you're messing with. So you got to be really careful with these guys. So there you have it. Hopefully this inspires you, or I just want to show you what I'm doing to make it more safer and better. Got this wall all cleaned up down here, all pretty. And yes, my system has a fuse. So I have a fuse on the circuit that goes to the battery, circuit breaker, and each battery has its own circuit breaker. So, like wearing 3 condoms. And now you know. Have a great day. Yeah.